masasabi ko kay Amara Zia, siya yung only girl sa family. Minsan magugulat ka na lang, yakapin ka sweet siya, tapos masunurin, tapos kahit anong mga iutos mo, go lang yan, hindi yan magrereklamo. So, yun lang. And then, masipag na bata. Mahilig mag-drawing. Oh, yun. Isa pa yun. Mahilig mag-drawing and then, mahilig talaga sa mga gunting-gunting, mga art-art.
The story's waiting to be told.
Happy birthday, Amara!
I wishing Amara. I love Amara. I like the best friend Amara. Happy birthday, Amara. I wish that you're always healthy and you will always be happy in whatever happens. And I wish you a happy birthday, Amara. I hope you always be my friend. Happy birthday, Amara. I'm so proud of you. And be happy to your 7th birthday party. I love you.
Every time we have an event, just like, for example, our Christmas party, Valentine's, I always receive a letter from Amara saying, "Happy birthday, teacher. Merry Christmas, teacher. I wish you're always happy." It really touched me kasi minsan, pag adult, may mga sad moments. So, whenever I receive those letters, it serves as my inspiration talaga. That's why I'm very thankful that I have you as my student.
It's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in a beautiful life.
Happy birthday, Amara. This is your Kuya Seb. Always have a good life and always be happy and always have good friends and a good life. Thank you and happy birthday.
Alright, and without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause for our birthday girl, none other than but Amara Zia!
Anything can happen now. Anything can happen.
Si Amara Zia, sobrang malambing na bata, mabait, masunurin, tsaka maaasahan ko talaga siya mag-assist sa akin sa pag-aalaga ng newborn baby namin. So wala akong masasabi kung hindi. Sobrang 100% napaka masunuring bata.
Happy birthday, Amara! Happy birthday, Amara! Happy birthday, Amara!
Children are gift from the Lord, they are reward from Him. So alam kong magiging mabait kang bata, and always remember that your parents are here for you. And also the friends of your parents are here. Okay, happy birthday, Zia! Lagi kang magiging mabait kay mami, kay daddy, kina mama, kay bibi at saka kay kuya, no? Stay responsible and lagi ka namang smart, diba? Okay, very good. Happy birthday, I love you!
Wish ko kay my only daughter, si Zia, Amara Zia. Siyempre, study hard, tapos mag-pray always, maging respectful sa all the time. So, okay naman siya, wala akong masabi kay Zia. So, ano naman siya, hindi siya pasaway, hindi matigas. So, okay talaga siya. So, sana good health, syempre, always. And then, guide siya always ni God.
Huwag niya kakalimutan si Lord.
Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Amara. I wish you all the best.
Ang birthday wish ko lang kay Zia, na sana makapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral. And yung message ko, continue niya lang kung ano yung kabutihan na pinapakita niya. And also, sana wag siyang magbago. Ayun lang. Kasi napakamasunurin na bata. Tsaka mapagmahal and sweet. Happy birthday, Amara Zia! We love you!
We love you, baby!
Enjoy your day!
Enjoy your day! This is your day!
Anything can happen now.